Several years back, the Catholic Church of America did a survey about the Eucharist to the faithful. And one of the questions was about the presence of the Lord in the Eucharist. And surprisingly, the result was that many of the American faithful understood this presence as a sign that the bread and wine in the Eucharist is but a sign of the presence of God. But it's very clear in the Catechism that we do not believe that bread and wine in the Eucharist is only a sign of God. We believe that this is real presence. No? And we must be able to understand the difference. Hindi lang ito palatandaan na buhay ang Diyos, ang tinapay at alak na tanda, buhay ang Diyos, makapangyarihan ng Diyos. That's a sign. But that is not what Catechism teaches us. That the bread and wine is the real presence. Kapag nasa harap ang tinapay at alak sa misa, nasa harap ang Diyos. That is real presence. And so that is why the Catholic Church in America started a renewal about the Eucharist. And I hope we continue to distinguish that faith in the Eucharist, as we heard from the Gospel today. Eat my flesh, drink my blood, for my flesh is true food. Totoong pagkain, ako yan. For my blood is true drink. Totoong inumin, ako yan. That the bread we share in Holy Communion is not only a sign of God, a sign of presence, but the bread we receive in communion is the presence of God Himself. He is present here and now. That to receive communion is not only to receive a sign. To receive communion is to receive God. To receive Jesus. And I hope we realize this. Because this faith should bear fruit in great reverence, respect, and even joy and consolation to us. That God is not something far, but He is with us, and He comes to us every time we receive Holy Communion. That is why one description of an experience in the Eucharist, one important description of Holy Communion is encounter. Because encounter is the coming together of person-to-person presence. Na ang communion ay pakikipagtagpo natin, tayo at ang Diyos na kasama natin. That it is an encounter that we heard, an example of which we heard in the first reading today. The encounter of St. Paul with Jesus. It is not only a sign. The light that St. Paul saw, it was not only a sign. It was Jesus Himself. And because of that encounter, St. Paul was led into humility. St. Paul was led to conversion. Saint Paul was led to the great mission to the Gentiles. That is what the presence of God does to us. It bears fruit in our hearts and in our lives. Marami po sa inyo araw-araw nagsisimba. Marami po sa inyo araw-araw tumatanggap ng komunyon. Ang tanong, nakakatagpo ba talaga ang Diyos? At ano ang bunga niyan sa buhay Kristiyano? Do we really encounter the presence of the Lord? Do we really encounter God who is alive? That is what Easter is all about. Do we really encounter God? Nararanasan ba natin siya? Nakakatagpo ba natin siya? Tinatanggap ba natin siya? The Eucharist is not only a sign that God is alive. No. The Eucharist is a celebration of God's presence. A presence that we do not only look at, a presence that we do not only feel, a presence that we receive in Holy Communion, a presence that stays with us, a presence that lives in us, a presence that remains in us, a presence that must bear fruit in us. Amen.